Okay guys, good morning again. Today we're going to start talking about Unit 10. This is the last unit that we are going to see in this book. And we are going to start with the difference between two kinds of verbs. At the beginning of the book, we have collocations. And on the other side, that is not in this book, is phrasal verbs. What is the difference between collocation verbs and phrasal verbs? Okay, collocations is a verb that normally go with an activity. The verb plus an activity or an activity. And phrasal verbs is a verb that you add, for example, a word or a preposition, and with that preposition, the original meaning of the verb change completely. I'm going to show you examples of collocations and phrasal verbs. And later on, in other video, I will explain to you differences of verb with collocation. For example, do and make. You do homework, but you make a pizza. Speak and talk. You speak English, but you talk to your friend. And tell and say. Yeah, you tell a joke, but you say a pray to God. Yeah. Okay, let's start with collocations. Okay, here we are, collocations and phrasal verbs. For example, cook. You cook dinner. You cook pasta. Yeah, you cook a special dish. Play. You play chess. You play soccer. You play a game. Okay. Usually you play the game. You play soccer. You play volleyball. Okay. Ride. You ride a horse. You ride a bike. You ride a motorbike. You ride a camel. So normally you use ride with those elements. Use. You use in order to say I use a smartphone. But when you are wearing, you don't say I use a t-shirt. I wear a t-shirt. So you use a smartphone. You use a computer. You use a microwave oven. Okay. Remember. You remember words. You remember sentences. You remember English words. Okay. Make, we say we make a pizza. We make a sandwich. We make a food. Do. You do a homework. You do the dishes. Yeah. You do the cloth. Yeah. Okay. All right. Let's go to phrasal verbs. Phrasal verbs. Give, when you offer something to somebody. But here, if we add up, give up, smoking means you stop smoking. You don't smoke anymore. So I gave up smoking. So it's different. Give and give up. Bring, when you take something to some place. But bring up is educate. Educate. So bring up your son. In Spanish, educar tu hijo. Run. You are running. You are exercising. But when you say out, means you don't have any more. So, I run out of money. Or I ran out of money. Me quedé sin plata. Okay? Calls. Call me. Call me. But calls off means to cancel. I canceled the meeting. I called off the meeting. Or he calls off the meeting. Okay? Find. You know what is find? I'm looking for my keys. I can't find them. But when you say find out, is that you are looking for. That you, in Spanish, she finds out everything. Averiguar. Averiguar. Okay? Find out. So these are phrasal verbs. The meaning change when you add a word or a preposition or something like that. Okay? And the other we are going to see also goals, but the time is now over. Thank you very much.